In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder pages in Notion. If you're just getting started or you're polishing your setup, I'll walk you through a simple, reliable way to keep your workspace neat and logical. Reordering pages in Notion is all about click and drag, and there are two places you'll do it: in the sidebar and inside a main page where you keep subpages. Think of the sidebar as your master list and the content area as the local list for that specific page. I'll cover both so you know exactly what to expect. First, the sidebar. Open Notion and look to the left. When you hover over a page name in the sidebar, click and hold, then drag it up or down. As you move, watch for a thin line that shows where the page will land. Release your mouse when the line is exactly where you want it, and the page snaps into place. If you want to nest a page under another, drag slightly to the right until you see the parent page highlight, then drop. To pull it back out, drag to the left until the highlight disappears and release. Take your time. Slow, deliberate movement helps you avoid accidentally tucking a page under the wrong parent. If your list is long, hover near the top or bottom edge of the sidebar while dragging to auto-scroll. Now, reordering subpages inside a main page. Open the page that contains the subpages you want to organize. In the content area, find the list of subpages. Hover to the left of a subpage title until you see the drag handle, then click and drag it to the new position. Just like in the sidebar, use the visual guide, the line that appears, to confirm where it will land before you let go. If you want a subpage to live under another subpage, drag slightly to the right to change its indentation, then drop. Your changes update immediately, so you can keep refining until everything reads top to bottom the way you work. A quick tip as you go: if a page doesn't move, make sure you're dragging the page itself and not a link or a heading near it. And if you're on a trackpad, a firm click and a steady drag give you the best control. That's it. Click, drag, watch the guide, and release. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.